In the year 1831, the English naturalist Charles Darwin embarked on a trip abroad, the British ship Beagle, which would last for 5 years. During the crossing, Charles Darwin had to collect and study specimens of plants and animals to prepare a report of his observations. During the trip, Charles Darwin devoted himself to studying the nature of the South American coast and noted evidence of certain changes that happened in the Earth's crust as failures, folding, and erosion. Darwin also conducted excavations where he could find fossils of large mammals. The monument to Charles Darwin in Iquique City is located in front of the former customs building, also known as Rimac Palace, between Anibal Pinto Streets, George Barrera, and Arturo Chacon Avenue. It consists of a bright black painted iron anchor on a white cement base. Two bronze plates are embedded in the cement planche. One has the bust of the English naturalist engraved next to a brief review of his work and the figure of the Beagle, and the other a fragment of the Grapes and the Wind of Neruda, where reference to Charles Darwin's passage through Chile. Charles Darwin was born in Shrewsbury, England in year 1809. He entered to study medicine at the University of Edinburgh with only 16 years, but his true passion was geology and natural sciences, which he studied in Cambridge. He embarked on a second expedition of the Beagle brig along the South American coast between 1831 and 1836 under the command of Robert Fitzroy. After crossing the Atlantic Ocean and crossing the coasts of Brazil, Uruguay, and Argentina, the expedition crossed the Strait of Magellan and disembarked at the port of Valparaiso in Chile in the year 1834. Charles Darwin and the other scientists toured the Central Valleys, Chiloé, and the archipelagos of Guaytecas and Chonos in southern Chile. On July 12, 1835, the Beagle boat docked at the port of the city of Iquique, this being the particular landmark that commemorates the monument. As a result of his great journey of exploration and research in different fields of science, Charles Darwin wrote Journey of a Naturalist Around the World, published in the year 1839. The observations made in his expedition were the basis on which Darwin developed his theory of the evolution of the species, which was severely attacked by the Catholic Church because it contravened creationism. The Copernican turn that brought the Darwinist theory of evolution in the scientific world was really remarkable. During the 20th century, some biologists have refuted or complemented Charles Darwin's theory, such as the American Lynn Margulis, who argues from the symbiogenesis that biological diversity is not produced by competition as much as by collaboration.